the data class decorator from the data classes module. What the data class decorator will do is it will read the contents of our class, and specifically it will focus on the different fields that we've defined. Now what we've done here is defined a field X and a field Y, and we've given the type annotation that it's going to be of type int, or the type hint in Python. And what the data class decorator does is read these and populate 3 common methods that typically we'd have to write on our own. So in this case, what it's going to populate is the init, repr, and equal methods. Now starting with the init method, this is something that's called when we create a new instance of our class. So when we do something like p equals point, we're going to call the init method, and then we need to provide any arguments or any parameters that are specified in init. So I need to pass something like 1 and 2. Now it also implements a repr method. Now the repr method is something that will be called when we try to print out or view the contents of the object, specifically in something like our terminal. So if I go print p, what will happen implicitly is we're actually going to call the repr method, and then whatever that returns is what we'll output. Lastly, it will implement the equal dunder method. The equal dunder method is something we can use when we compare 2 instances of the same object. The way that equal will be written is it will simply compare all of the different attributes for their direct quality. So if I go p is equal to p2 like that, and we run our code, you'll see that we get the value true. I apologize for the messy terminal.